Hi, my name is Kiara Johnson. I am a senior mortgage banker with First Integrity Mortgage Services located in St. Louis, Missouri. This video will address some important dates and timelines addressed in your contract. Congratulations! Your contract has been accepted, meaning you have made an offer on a home and the seller has agreed to the terms and conditions that you and your realtor have outlined in the contract. The first important date is your acceptance date. This is the date that the contract is actually accepted. From that date, you have typically 24 hours to provide your earnest money to your agent. Earnest money is the pre-negotiated amount that you put down in advance to show the seller that you are serious about purchasing this property. Also, from this date, it is important that you sign your intent to proceed with your lender. The intent to proceed form says that you have chosen that lender to work with on the purchase of the specified property. Without this form being signed, your lender is limited on what they can do with the file. They cannot order the appraisal or request certain documents in order to get the loan process moving. The second important date that buyers should be aware of is your inspection period. Typically, unless otherwise stated, you need to have your inspections completed within 10 days of the acceptance date. This includes, but is not limited to, your building and pest inspections. During this 10-day window, it is also important to call insurance carriers to make sure the property is insurable. Any concerns should be drawn up in an inspection report, which a realtor will send over to the seller to see what issues they may or may not be willing to address. The third most important date is loan commitment. This may be the most important date for the lender, realtor, and seller. This is the date that you are contractually obligated to provide loan approval. You need to make sure you are getting all items to your lender in a timely manner. This is crucial in order to meet this date. You will feel like we're asking for everything except your blood type, and we probably are. However, we are really only asking for what we need to be able to approve your loan. We know it can feel intrusive, but it's because of the regulations we must now follow. Lastly, and probably the most exciting date for all parties involved, is your closing date. This is the day you receive the keys to your new home, which is very exciting. It's also the day you sign tons and tons of paperwork, which may not be too exciting. I hope this video was insightful and gave you a better understanding of what to expect.